Here's how to create a new Microsoft account in a straightforward way without making it complicated. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, whatever you prefer. If you're already signed into another Microsoft account, it can help to open an incognito or private window so nothing gets mixed up during the process. Next, go to Google or any search engine and type in Microsoft account. You'll see a link that takes you to account.microsoft.com. Click that. On the Microsoft account page, select Sign In, then choose the option that says No Account, create one. From there, you can use an existing email or create a brand new one. If you want a fresh start, choose Get a New Email Address. You can pick something like your name at outlook.com or at hotmail.com. Type in the email username you want, and if it's available, you'll move on to creating a password. Choose something secure but still easy for you to remember. After that, Microsoft will ask for a few basic details such as your country and your birth date. Fill those in and continue. You may also need to complete a quick CAPTCHA to prove you're a real person. It might be a small puzzle, an image test, or a simple verification task. Once you finish that step, your new Microsoft account will be created. You'll be taken to your Microsoft dashboard where you can start accessing everything right away. From this dashboard, you can explore Outlook for email, OneDrive for cloud storage, Teams for communication, and all the other Microsoft services linked to your account. You can also adjust your privacy options, set up two-step verification, and add a recovery phone number or email. These steps make sure your account stays secure, especially if you ever forget your password or switch devices.